eToro Club Premium Pricing explained what you get for your money. eToro is a global social trading platform, and its Club Premium program offers exclusive benefits for active investors. Many people think joining a premium club is expensive, but eToro provides tiered access based on account balance. Membership starts at silver for accounts over 0, gold at 0, platinum at 0, and diamond at 0. Benefits include lower withdrawal fees, monthly market research, exclusive webinars, and priority customer support. While the app itself is free to use, club fees are included in the account balance requirement rather than charged separately. Most people get this wrong by assuming premium access is only cosmetic. The surprising truth is that higher tiers provide real financial advantages. For example, Diamond members benefit from reduced trading spreads, which can save hundreds annually on frequent trades. In conclusion, eToro Club Premium offers clear, value-based benefits for active traders. By understanding the tiers and perks, investors can optimize both their trading costs and access to expert resources.